What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Today we're gonna be decorating my condo for fall time. And my thought is we'll decorate the living room, my bedroom, and the kitchen, and then I guess the dining room. But before we get to actually decorating, I'm just gonna do a little montage of like what all my different rooms look like now. I haven't done any shopping yet. What I'm gonna do first is go through everything that I have in here, and then we'll make a list to kind of like fill in the gaps of things that I want to add to my fall decor collection. Oh, I forgot the number one step before anything, which clearly I didn't follow, but light a fall scented candle. This is not a safe way to do this. Ooh, and then I want to place this over here so there's like a little fall scent. And then here's just another little candle. Okay, so with regards to the rest of the stuff, this I think I'm gonna put in the kitchen. This soap is gonna go in the kitchen. But these are the things I'm gonna bring to work. So in here is hay, which is why I like cover it up. And then I have this little mug that I put like my pens and pencils and all that stuff in. And then obviously the little pictures. And then these flowers will get stuck in there. But then for these flowers, if you remember from my other rooms, what I do is take them and plop them on the top of that mirror. Okay, so another huge tip for decorating for literally any season is to purchase pillows off Amazon. They have pillows for like the fall time, Christmas time, Valentine's Day, New Year's, Easter, summer, Thanksgiving, like anything and everything you can think of. They have a pillowcase for like $8. So you buy the pillow insert and then you just switch out the pillow case like for every single season. And obviously this is also gonna help you out with storage because you don't have to store big pillows. You can just, you know, take the pillow cover off, store it, and then switch it out for each time you want to redecorate. So this one, as you can see, says Happy Fall, y'all. And this pillow and this blanket are also from TJ Maxx. We're off to a good start. Okay, so everything is now done except for the kitchen. There are only two things that I have to do in there right now, and then we're gonna have to get a couple other things from the store, so let's go. These are like spring and summer flowers, so I'm not gonna have them out during the fall time, and these are fake if you were curious. I have this sign that I actually got from the Dollar Tree a couple years ago, so I want to hang this like this. Yes, I do have a stepping stool that I will be using. Hey guys, we're at Hobby Lobby now, and the one thing I really do want to get is a garland, and look at all of the options.
Not a garland.
Sorry. Garland. I want to get garland, and they have so many darn options. That one's pretty. Okay, I have to pick one. This is the garland that we ended up going with. I could get something like a bowl and then fill it up with these. I feel like that would look cute. Okay, so now we're gonna go through all the different rooms. I'm gonna show y'all what I did and all the final decor. So let's go. Okay, so for my bedroom, as you'll see, I didn't do too much, but I do feel like changing out the blanket made a really big difference. I just have this red one I got from TJ Maxx last year. And then I also decided to add this cute little pumpkin teddy bear that my grandma actually gave me. I think he's so cute. Okay, so here's the before of my kitchen. Still love it, but I'm so excited about how it turned out for fall. Definitely my favorite piece in this kitchen is the wreath. I am obsessed with this, guys. It's so darn adorable. I actually found it at TJ Maxx, and I didn't at first know if I loved how it had the green, but I do really like that, and I like the little pumpkins and pine cones. But then I also decided to move the flowers that I had on my wine chest into the kitchen. I added some little fall hand cloths and then some fall soap, and then over on the kitchen table, I decided to just keep
keep the same placemats because I thought the yellow color was kind of fally. And then I put in some little leaves from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so the living room is definitely my favorite. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I first switched to the blankets. So my orange one is from TJ Maxx, the white one is from IKEA, and then that Happy Fall Y'all pillow is from Amazon. Oh gosh darn it guys, this candle is Harvest Leaves. It smells so good. It's also from TJ Maxx, as well as this cute little pumpkin. And then in my TV stand, I kept the same candles that I had and then added these cute little pumpkin decor pieces, which Tim's mom gave me. And then moving on, this Thankful pillow I got like 2 years ago from TJ Maxx. And then I actually decided to put this scarf that came in my FabFitFun box on here as a blanket. It's not cold enough to wear it yet, and I think it looks super cozy, so I put that there. And then I found this little block of wood from TJ Maxx. I put a candle, some fall spray, and a pumpkin. I think that looks super cute. And then moving on to my wine chest. Oh, this is like another one of my favorite parts. So my little scarecrow I actually found at the Dollar Tree, and then this garland, oh gosh, I feel like it really ties the entire space in together. That is from Hobby Lobby. I have a cute little picture of Callie in the fall time. You can see all the leaves are on the ground, so I felt it was very festive. And then this candle smells so darn good. It's apple cinnamon, and I got that at TJ Maxx as well. If you watch until this part, let me know in the comments if you already decorated for fall, or if you haven't decorated for fall yet, when you plan to decorate for fall. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video.